Papa! By my side.
Chimundu! Mama! Memo! Papa! No! No! Mama! 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 Demon! No! My parents! Demon! Wait! Open the way! My parents! No! Open the parents! No! I can't! What happened to them? Mama!
Please, put yourself together.
Mama, wait! Let me go!
Listen.
Let me go!
Someone, stop! Please! Someone.
Mama! Mama! No, I didn't do it! Who did this to them? Who did this to me? I know. It's over. It's over for me. My only home.
I promise you.
My only home. No. Abina, wait, help! Abina, help! Hey, help! Abina, hey, no, Abina, help! Abina, breathe, just breathe. Once the result comes out, I, Nkem, will make straight A's because I know I wrote everything perfectly. Me too. I'm very sure I'm going to pass very well because what I wrote, I'm very sure about it. Unless those people just have to do nonsense and give my result to someone else. But I know from what I wrote, I'm going to make it in flying colors. That's their business. My own is let nobody seize my results because I, Nkem, will go around this village in all the whole news stations. I will report them one after the other because nobody, I repeat, nobody will stop me from entering the university this year.
Yes, I support you. IJ, this one you're not saying anything. You're just folding your hand. Now when it's sick and kin. What was going on? You don't know what to expect in this just concluded exam.
My sister, what do you expect me to talk? As you see me like this, I just stay very, very confused. I don't even know where to start from. You see this exam where we just finish like this? My sister, I don't know what happened for that exam. Why they go set that kind of question for us to write? How? We dey Cambridge, abi we dey university? All the thing where they teach us for class, all those small thing, small solving where they do like this, where they teach us. They don't come bring and come exam. I come exam, come be like say I don't dey blind. I come they look paper like this, like say everywhere don't turn to witchy. I don't know what I they see. You see anything where they teach us for there?
Which one be whether I see anything?
I don't see anything. So if my parents, if they see C, may them take. They see D, may them take. They see F, may them take. Mother give one. I be me we one.
This one you're saying, I'm surprised though. Because it looks like it's not the same exam that we wrote that you wrote. I don't know for her. We were in the same hall. So what are you talking about? The exams, I even saw our SS1 topics in the exam. So this one you're saying that the question looks like it's a university question, Cambridge, you know? Sha, I will not blame you, just that you're dumb. So I will not blame you.
Okay, why would you say that? Why call her dumb?
She's dumb now.
She's not dumb. There are things she knows that you don't know about. So don't call her dumb. It's fine. It's fine, don't get angry, it's fine. Why call her dumb now? She's not dumb.
She's dumb now and it's very obvious.
Okay, you don't have to insist. It's okay, she's not dumb.
I don't blame her. No, I don't blame her. I don't blame her. She dey call me dumb. I beg, for that exam, those things when they set for there, you see her for our class. They teach us for class. The question that they ask you, make you tell me. They teach them.
And they teach them.
They teach them? I don't see her more.
It's okay, she's not dumb. There are things she knows that you don't know about.
Tell her.
Mama, this one, things she know that I don't know. You can't be saying that. There is nothing this one know that I don't know. I am very brilliant and intelligent. In fact, I correct my teachers in school.
I correct my teachers too. I correct my teachers in school. It's not only you that used to correct your teacher. I correct.
Inkem, you correct your teachers in school. Won't they hate you for doing that? That's over Sabi now.
You know good.
They will hate you.
Do I even care? Me, Nkem, I don't care about what anybody think or feels about me. I am so intelligent and brilliant. I cannot be patronizing teachers now. You should talk to Ijoma to do that because she will be needing it.
Don't mind this stupid girl.
So you now correct teachers?
You're overdoing it, so you have
I
to
am
step down.
not overdoing anything and I'm not stepping down for anybody.
I am Nkem and I am brilliant and intelligent.
You say you be better person. So if I correct teacher for school, na bad thing.
It's very bad.
I know if you follow you correct teacher again.
Don't follow.
You don't correct. Oh.
Person when no get head, they correct teacher.
What is this? Who are you? Chekube?
It's me, Chekus, your love.
What's the meaning of this? Are you now mad?
I'm mad for you. See. You like? You like what? See? You don't like what you see. See, I dress sex for you. Very sweet, like celebrities.
Like this?
Yes. So that you love me.
Chekube, you sexy.
Yes. So you love me like Nkem.
Chekube,
Yes.
did you know what you look like?
Tell me.
You look like a masquerade. You should be in the market, scaring people and not trying to impress me. Ew.
What now? You don't like my... See now.
Come, we'll get out of this.
Emeka, I know you like it.
Come on, leave me. I don't like you. I hate you.
You like
Come on. Come on, get out.
Emeka, what's going on? You've been screaming all day. Huh? Jesus Christ of Nazareth.
Just look at this little man.
What's going on? Are you alright? Why are you looking like this?
Don't you dare point to me.
You mean you dressed up like this to come impress Emeka?
God forbid.
Did you look at the mirror before leaving your house?
It's my mirror.
I'm going for mirror. Mirror, go.
Listen, this is not the right way to go about this. Alright? You're not looking good at all. Huh? So I advise you, go back to the house, wash off these things you put on your face, and dress properly. Huh? Instead of looking like a clown. I'm sorry, I didn't mean for it to come out that way. Huh? Please. This is not nice. You look... Seriously, you look scary. Okay? advise you go wipe off this thing and then come back to him.
That's one I try you.
Even the shoes is oh my goodness.
Just go back to the house and wipe off these things and you can come back. Yeah?
Come.
Calm down.
Come on, get out of here.
You see what you're causing? All this because of you.
Why is for you, not me?
Oh, I'm sorry. I'm sorry for the poor girl. Seriously, you need to do something. I'm telling you. Real quick.
Mama, me, I'm tired though. I'm tired of this thing though. This morning again, oil rice. I thought there's this soup in the pot from yesterday.
Okay, Mechipono go say so. Huh? Mechipono go eat the one you see. Do you know that there are people that have not even seen Gare Nkete? And this one you see, and you are still complaining.
Mama, I don't like this kind of thing.
If you don't like it, you leave it.
Papa, welcome.
Stand up for your father to sit down.
No. He's eating. Still sit and eat your food.
You bought gallon?
I saw someone displaying his properties, old properties, and he's trying to sell them. So I had some money in my pocket, so I decided to pick this one. At least we can be using it in fetching water.
Right, at least we now have a gallon in the house. Chai.
That is it. You people are eating.
We are eating.
I hope you reserve some food for me.
Do you need to remind me? Of course, now I kept the leftover soup and then fufu for you to eat. I know you will not like to eat this one with us.
Yes, that's my wife. I love it that way. Yes.
Now you cannot be talking white shit for him to see.
That's my wife. That's my wife. Careful. You people of this generation, I don't know why you always prefer rice, noodles to soup. But it's okay.
Papa, you want this rice? You can eat it though. You can eat my own, Papa. You understand? The rice is very delicious. Mama tried. Papa, I will eat your curry and soup.
Shut up! Go and get my food. What of for someone?
Someone went to get her results.
Her result is out.
Yes.
Wow! Hey! What happens is, keep the gari and soup for someone. Get me oil rice. Her own oil rice. I'll eat it.
Papa, I thought you said you don't want the rice. But I begged you for the food. And now you want to keep it for someone.
Did you know here she has gone to get her result? And you know what her results are usually like? All A's. And you want her to come back here and start eating this oil rice.
If she eats this oil rice, what is wrong with it? Has she not been eating it with us?
But today, when she returns with her results, get me the oil rice, I will eat rice. What is that? It is me that said I will eat rice.
Oh. Papa, result that you have not even seen. Result you have not even seen. You are preserving food for her. Instead of you to give it to me, that is your last born. And your only son for that matter.
What did you just say? Last born? Which last born are you? It's Borebo. My friend, will you go and do what your father asked?
Mama, stop calling me this Itibolibo. I don't like it now. Mama, don't calling me Itibolibo.
Are you not Itibolibo?
I'm not Itibolibo. Papa, I'm not Itibolibo.
Sorry.
Papa, let me try my best.
Itibon come.
I don't like this one. Papa.
Mr. and Mrs. Alexander, I can't take this anymore. Benedict is no longer taking my calls. He's literally blocked all of my numbers. I can't reach him anymore. I don't even know what to do.
Cassandra, please sit down, my daughter.
I can't. Come on, I love Benedict so much. I
is it doing this to me? What did I ever do wrong? Cassandra dear, you know these boys. As a matter of fact, Benedict is passing through a phase. But I assure you, he will come back home. Please.
Yes, he will surely. By the time he realizes himself and stop whatever nonsense he thinks he's doing there. I already cut him off. And like I said, when the little change in his pocket runs out, he will not think about the needful. He will come back to you. And then you will be the one to smile, my daughter.
I can't imagine spending the rest of my life with someone else other than Benedict. And my dad has promised that if we get married, he's going to occupy a very prominent position in his company. What else does he want? Why is he shutting me out? Cassandra, please just calm down. Like we said before, he's just a little confused, okay? But we know that he will surely come back. He always does.
Yes. And when he comes back, like I said, you will be the one to come here and start smiling. Be rest assured, my daughter, all is well.
Thank you. Thank you, you both. I don't know what I would have done without your support.
What family for? That's why we are families. Never that we are friends. That's why we are friends.
Thank you.
Hey, I got your back.
Okay, Ada, why is your face like this? Did you not make it? Sit down first, sit down. Sit down.
Adam is back. Adam, why?
He's not saying anything.
Adam, why is your face like this? Why are you frowning?
Talk to us now. What's the problem?
Is it the result?
Sister now, talk now. If it's about the result, you will take another one next year.
See, if it is the result, I know all these wicked invigilators. I know what they can do. In our own days, I took WAEC 4 times. 4 times and they continue failing me. 4 times. At the time I gave up. That's why I did not continue. I did not go further in my education. So just forget it.
Your father is right.
You can smile. Forget if the result is...
I believe in you. We trust you. We know what you can do.
Is it the result?
Cheer up.
Why are you keeping your face? I don't like this, your face like this. Smile. Smile. Forget.
This is your name now. Mama, see the result.
I have 9 A's. Yes.
It is true.
It is true.
I know my daughter. It's true. I know my daughter.
Sister, my sister.
I know what my daughter.
I know what you can do.
You see, I was trying to play along.
You say lie. I knew it. I knew that you have my brain.
Hey, Mama.
I look after you. You took after your mother.
Sister, I know my daughter will never fail. She will never fail in this world. Sister,
it's a lie.
I know you can do it. You always do it. Mama, you are going to see. You are going to do a bath. That's what I want to eat.
Today?
Yes.
Your father kept you.
I don't want.
Papa, really?
Yes, I kept my food for you. You will eat my food.
Let's go inside.
Hey!
Aromel.
See your daughter's result.
Keep it. Try. Ijoma.
Papa.
Ijoma.
Papa.
So after all the money I spent on your education, from primary 1 to primary 6, from JS1 to SS3, not to talk of all the money I wasted on lessons. Ijoma, so this is the result you brought home. Ijoma so D, C, na P. Chai!
Papa, I don't even understand. Why is it that you're very, very ungrateful? I came back with excellent results. You know, do you?
Will you shut up your mouth?
Hell.
Excellent. Ha! Ijoma, asim Ochowabu excellent. Just look at it.
Mama, Papa, do you know how many people in my class that got F, E. I came back with C. You self, you know even some people. I'm not teaching it for me.
Idiot.
Come and take your slippers, so you don't consign me. Me, I don't touch any slippers, so when I'm about to say, you know, come and take your slippers. I will not pick it. I will not pick it. Yes, Mama, I don't like this thing Papa is doing. I don't like it. He said I got P. Papi, I did they write the P for there? Is it not C that you saw there? See, you know what is C? C is for cat. C is for cup.
Ijoma, listen.
Come.
Listen. It's your cha. Oni believe. Afano.
Hi.
Ewu. For this attitude you just displayed, no more university education for you. You know I have said it, and I will do it. Just get ready, because I'll be taking you to Aba, your sister's place.
It's again.
You are going to learn tailoring.
Hey,
Ijoma.
Ha!
Ifurugi.
Hey!
How can you You don't know book, you don't know anything.
Even you. Mama.
Mama, trying to calm your father down.
So leave that calm down. What are you even saying calm down? I don't like this thing you're doing, no, Mama. Others are supporting their children. You're here doing love. You're doing love at your old age. Even out there, you're doing love. Never love. You're looking at your husband. You will be doing me. It's not my business. So see, what your husband do? Your husband is insulting me that I brought excellent results. See, or this. Did I do my practice? No, I wrote see. Okay, him that is talking. Papa, bring your results. Don't worry, you will soon go to Papa, bring your results. Mama, tell him to bring his results. You will go to check here. Let us check who made more seeds. He did not even do anything. Mama, let me tell you, I don't even care. If he say he will not train me in the university, no problem. He should not train me. You know what will happen? Yes, I will go. Is that what I see?
Yeah, young man. How are you? Finally took the call. Ben, you need to come home. Things are getting out of hand.
Ben, let me speak with him. Please.
Really? Hold on. You tell me that now. Mom wants to talk to you.
Yes. Hello, Ben. Ben, are you there? Ben. Hello? Son?
Let me see.
Ben.
Young man, see, Mom just wanted to tell.
What is it? He hung up on you, right?
Why is he doing this? What has come over him? He doesn't even want to speak with his own mom.
Mother, you have to talk to father. You have to talk to my dad. You know, once he says a thing, he stands by it. You are the only one that can convince him to do otherwise.
Good thing you know your father. No, thank God you know your father. He wouldn't listen to anyone. What haven't I done? I have spoken to him severally, but he wouldn't listen. What do you rather have me do?
Mom, you just need to try. Just try. If we lose Ben now, following the way he's behaving recently, we'll lose him forever. Mother, please, you still have to try. Try harder.
Well, I will try. But you know your father, when he says a thing, he stands by it. But I will keep trying. Not a promise. I'll try my best.
I know father has a pride. He doesn't say he's sorry. And I think Ben needs him saying he is sorry. Mother, I need to go. I have a hospital to run and I have several local hospitals where they've invited me to do some inspections. I'll see you later in the day, Mother.
It's his father that disowned him, not me. He doesn't want to hear my voice. Oh my goodness.
See, Ijoma, can you imagine? These people give me only 4 A's. Like, only 4 A's. After everything I wrote in that exam. These people are very wicked though. I know I wrote everything perfectly well. And even extra. I deserve like 9 A's.
At least you should be thankful to God. Yes, you should be happy. I don't know why, if God blesses somebody, they don't know how to appreciate God. You got 4 A's, 4 A's, and you're here complaining. What about me? What are you going to say about me now? Me that got C, D. Ejimi, show fake Ejimi, I don't understand. What am I using it for? My father now, he has already made up his mind that he's not going to train me in university. So, I don't even know where I'll start from. You're here complaining.
Wait now, Ija. Boy, do you know he's only but a stupid person that will expect you to even get B's with your level of intelligence? Your father is expecting too much from you. Ebuniti.
I don't blame you. I don't. Yes, I don't blame you. So you're here insulting me because I did not get A's. Abi? I don't blame you. Am I God that makes somebody to know book? Abum chukuneyema brain. I don't know book. Is it my business? I don't know book. Is it my fault? Now God creates me like that. But I don't blame you. You're here insulting me. It's my father that I blame. If my father had bought milk that they used to give children when they were small, I would have known book by now. But he told my mother to be giving me akamo with it. So how do you expect me to know book?
Calm down. Yes, sir, we are not quarreling yet. That's by the way, but you know I'm only stating the facts. See, I can't wait for Osonwa to come and see my results. She will know that I am the most intelligent, the best of them all, the smartest in this village.
Please, just about that tower, you see from that high horse that you are, come down from it. Oh, but that tower, you see why God know they bless some people too much? Because he knows if he bless some people, other people go get problem. Yes, nah, life will be that. See you where they make man, they come inside, be team, pataka, team, body, but you never see someone results. You never see her results. Someone got 9 straight A's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 straight A's. Biaderia, siaderia, diaderia. She did not even make mouth, oh. You that just got to 4. From all of 4, you didn't make him out.
You mean someone got 9 A's? Jello, someone scored higher than me.
Someone got 9 A's. Do I have water in my mouth? Which one is that sound? Oh, you've not even heard. The mother has been going around the village, the community, using ogene, knocking everywhere. Hey! Oh, someone, 9 8. You never hear him. I don't hear him, oh. Don't be why my father won't kill me.
I can't believe it. Someone cannot score higher than me. I am the smartest, the most intelligent. You know that girl is a crook. I am very sure she did exam malpractice. She cannot score higher than me. See, I am not believing this until I see someone's result.
Okay,
that girl, she's not a good person.
You see someone, that girl is very, very intelligent. She's the best student, though. As far as I am concerned, she's the best, and she's very humble.
She did malpractice and very good. Hi, Emeka.
How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
I heard you got straight A. Congratulations.
Thank you very much, I did. I'll just go now.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye.
We're watching the video now. Why they do like this? You don't eye this girl for some time now. Talk to them now. Approach them.
Who told you I'm eyeing the girl? I'm not eyeing the girl. I just said bye-bye to her.
He didn't say I know they observe. Guy, what this up now? Tell them, approach her, just tell her say she like you. Sorry, just tell her say you like her. Maybe she likes you as well.
She's a small girl. She just finished secondary school. Are you sure she's even ready to get into a relationship?
How you take no? My brother approached this babe. Talk to her like a man. No,
don't worry about it. Don't worry. I'll talk to her later. I'm not going to understand you.
Did you just see my results? My results, yes. Still, don't hear it.
Chimo,
you got 9 A's.
Yes. Are you sure this is your result?
My results, can't you see? 9 A's.
I am so happy.
You know, I was so shocked when I saw it. I knew I was going to pass. But getting this excellent result, I did not expect it. Like 9 A's.
Wow.
I'm so happy.
I'm so happy for
9
you.
9 A's. Like, God, yes.
Hi, this is very good.
What about you?
She got 4 A's.
Onye joge?
1, 2, 3, 4 A's now.
Ami, but did she ask you?
But na good thing say you get 4 A's.
You didn't even smell bees, not to talk more of A's.
But is there anything
Nkem,
bad?
stop. Now you don't have to be harsh. At least she passed. You passed, right?
I passed.
It's so beautiful. One more thing. I heard that Onobu's son is awarding the best student of the community a scholarship. And he's hosting a competition in his house today this evening by 3 p.m.
Wait, you mean saying that this our results, we go take go winner?
Not this result. It's a free scholarship. If you get the highest score, you get the scholarship.
Hey!
Yes. You know, I cannot wait to win this competition. This is like the opportunity I've wanted for my entire life.
I can't wait to.
Yes.
Let me go and revise now. I will go and revise my own.
We have to revise.
So that I will pass.
I
go pass this one. Make my people know I can pass.
I cannot wait to pass this. I know I'm going to get the scholarship. I know.
I'm very, very
like
happy
everything.
for you. I wish I'm just you now.
You'll be me someday. I need to hurry up so I can go for the competition.
Okay, go and reverse. I reverse.
Yes.
All of us reverse.
Okay.
Hey, 9 A's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You get 4 A's. 1, 2, 3, 4. Me, I get 0, 0. Anyway, what my mirror? What do me do what? Make we go reverse. Make we go that place. You know, go. I don't go reverse. So.
Chibondo. How are you doing now?
I'm fine.
Okay, I came to see your sister Otomi. Is she around?
Yes, she's inside. You didn't bring anything for me?
I didn't bring anything, no. Don't worry, next time.
Okay, I know. Let me call her for you.
Okay.
Hey, I'm coming.
Osama. Okay. Why are you here? It's not time for the competition yet. I know it's not time, but I came to inform you. There's a change of plan. The competition is no longer going to hold in Onobu's house. They've moved it to the village square and the time is now 4 p.m, not 3 p.m.
Why now?
I don't know. I just got the information, so I say, let me rush and tell you, so that you don't waste your time in going to Onowo's house.
Thank you so much, my sister. Thank you so much. God is going to bless you. Okay, Onowo's house.
Yes.
4 p.m.
Yes, 4 p.m.
It was 3 p.m. before.
But they changed it. It's now 4 p.m.
Thank you so
Village
much.
Square.
Village Square.
Yes.
Okay, Village Square. No. Okay. Thank you so much. God is going to bless you for me.
No problem.
I didn't know. Thank God for you.
That's why I rushed to come and tell you, because I know you didn't.
You're so kind.
No problem.
Okay. Let me just hurry and finish all of them. I'll come there.
Okay,
Make
no
sure you
problem.
come early.
I will. Let me rush to the church.
Okay, thank you so much.
Okay,
Thank you.
bye.
God bless you. Come early.
Okay. Who is this girl now? Hey, Nkem. Hey, Nkem. How did you go?
Are you even asking that question? You know that I am the smartest girl in this village. And what do you expect from smart people like me? Smart moves, right? I told her exactly what we discussed. And she said she will be going to the market to get some things and cook. And after that, she will rush to the village square by 4 p.m.
Wait, though. You mean you told her everything?
Exactly.
Hey, Nkeme, you see why you're a very smart person.
You can say
you
that
see this
again.
your head, now book and sense full am.
Exactly.
Hi, so she agreed.
In a way,
Eh?
she agreed. But if only she knows the people she has as friends.
Before she will come back like this now, Ono will speak to you.
Hey, Maro.
And give you the scholarship.
Uzubon.
Hey!
Every time, Otonwa this, Otonwa that, Otonwa everywhere. Let her come and have this one, let me see.
You can imagine.
Nonsense.
Don't worry, by the time she come back, she will join us where be team Pataka and write exam. She never see anything.
but wait. This is the reason why I'm telling you that I'm the smartest.
Yes.
You know, once Onowu has chosen one person, he can't choose any other person. And you know what that means now.
Chipuru, it means say, even myself, I no go.
You know go smell am. You understand?
Waiting you want use me do. I know no say my very good friend could do all this to me. I know no say I know fit grab.
Where is everyone?
You want use me do. I
thought the competition has to be in this place. So where is everyone?
You never leave my side.
Yes. Judoka for streets. It has to be here. Where's everyone? Good afternoon. Please, I'm here for the competition.
Okay.
I can't see anyone. Where is everyone?
It's at Onowo's house.
Huh?
I started since 3 o'clock.
No, you're joking. He's here. Judoka for street. This place.
It's not here. It's at Onowo's house.
I'm serious. They asked me to come here. It was supposed to be here.
No.
Are you serious? Onowo's house?
Yes.
Who changed the event location?
No, now. Nothing like that happened. Nothing like that happened. My friend is even there.
Your friend is there? Oh. No, it was supposed to be here. They said you did Oka for street. It is here. It was supposed to be
Onowo's house.
Onowo's house. Hey, I'm dead.
You have to
I'm dead.
go.
I'm dead. I'm dead. No. Oh no! Wait. Where's Onowo's house?
Onowo's house.
Where is it?
I asked you to sit back because amongst all the results that were submitted, your own is the best.
Thank you so much, Onowu. I know I am the best person for this scholarship.
I see that too, but I was made to understand that there's another girl that made 9 A's, straight 9 A's.
Wow, 9 A's?
No, nobody made 9 A's or no. I am the only one who made straight 4 A's and even B's. Nobody in my kindred made even B's, not to talk more of A's. Oh no, I am the best. I am super intelligent. Everybody knows. Nobody made 9 A's.
Are you sure?
I am very sure, no. Nobody made 9 A's. I am the only one who made 4 A's. Yes or no?
Yes, coming.
Oh no. Good evening, sir. I'm so sorry I'm late. I was just here about something that I'm here now. I'm so sorry. Oh, you're here? Yes. I was wondering who was... Oh no. Here's my results. Sorry, sir. I have 9 A's. 9 straight A's. My wife.
9 straight A's?
Yes, sir.
This is great. And then you must be the one I've been looking out for.
Oh, I'm sorry for coming late, sir. I'm here now.
Uncle,
oh no.
As you can see, this is the person I've been looking for.
Yes, sir.
You may leave now. Okay. You may leave. Oh, you're welcome. Sit down, sit down.
Yes, sir. Thank you very much. I'm so sorry for coming late.
It is okay, it is okay. Then take this form, go home with it and fill it. Bring it back first thing on Monday morning. That's the scholarship form.
Sir,
congratulations.
I have it. Oh no, thank you, sir. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you, sir. God bless you. Sir, I have the scholarship form.
Take the result.
Thank you so much, sir.
Fill it and bring it first thing on Monday morning.
Okay, sir, I will do that. Sir, thank you so much. God will bless you and your son for me. Thank you so much for this. Sir, thank you so much. I'm really grateful. I have the scholarship.
It is
sir,
all right.
Thank you so much.
It's
I need to show my father this. Thank you so much, sir. God bless you.
It's all right. It's all right. Some people can be very daring. 4 A's and you want to overthrow someone that has 9 straight A's.
How did it go? I got the scholarship. Serious? Yes, I got the scholarship. I'm so happy for you. Me too. I'm so happy. Wait. How did you two get to the event? Actually, we equally went to the village square. Yes, I did. I didn't see anyone there. Exactly. We couldn't find anyone. I was so scared because no one was there. Exactly. I noticed we were misinformed. So me too. I started calling your mother, but she wasn't picking. You know my mom will be at the farm. Probably she was working. Oh, but that's fine. I got the scholarship. I'm so happy for you. I'm happy for you. But then I told Diono that someone has straight A's and she's on her way coming. Really? Yes. Oh my God, Nkem, you're so kind. Thank you so much. God is going to bless you for me. Bless you too. I'm so happy I got this scholarship. Like I've wanted this for so long. I mean, this is going to help me and my family, you know. This is just the best thing. I cannot wait to show my father this. I'm so happy. I'm happy for you. Oh, goodness. Are you guys going home? Yes, we want to just pick up something here. Should I come with you? Oh, no, don't worry. I don't have any work at home. I can come with you if you want. No, don't worry. We just want to pick up something. I'll come to the house later and see you. Come to my house. Yeah. Thank you so much. Okay. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Okay, bye. Bye. Bye.
You made it! You made it! I wish she would just fall down. I made it. Look at her skirt. Flying boat. She made it. She made it. So we know make them. See, I know they like pretend though. I know you see me. As I did like I know they like pretend. If I don't like you, I don't like you. So if something they pay me for my
everything we did, this girl still had that scholarship, Abby. No problem. Let's go. Let's leave this place.
I don't blame her.
What happened, my daughter? What?
I got the scholarship.
Hey! Are you serious?
Yes.
Thank God! Hey, my daughter! I know you will make it.
I came out highest.
I know.
I was the first.
Hey!
I got the scholarship. I got the scholarship. Hey. Thank you, Jesus.
Thank God for giving it to my daughter.
I got the scholarship.
Hey. It's true. Hey. My daughter has gotten a scholarship.
I was the first.
Yes.
I came out first in the kingdom.
Yes.
I got the scholarship. Mama, see,
Yes.
I have the scholarship. Yes.
Yes. Oh my God. She will continue going to school.
I am proud
Going
of
to
you.
school non-stop.
I am proud
Continue
of that
schooling.
you're a blessed child.
Wow. That is it.
Right from the womb.
Yes.
Hey.
He said he's going to do my school from start to end. You know who's son.
Hey.
Yes. That should come back for the notification
How
tomorrow.
do I thank you, Lord?
My
Yes,
daughter.
sir. How do I thank you, Lord?
You just continue going to
How do I
school
thank you?
non-stop.
Yes.
Wow.
Thank you, Lord.
Yes.
Thank you.
Hey.
Thank you, Jesus.
No disturb
Baba.
her.
Hey.
Thank God.
My dear sister. I'm sorry for you.
My blessed child.
Yes.
Oh.
She's highly favored.
Miraculous child.
Highly favored.
Hey.
Wow.
Ijeoma. Ijeoma. Ijeojo. Kedu ihe nji isi wee kote? Na nwa m aghara bụ ụlọ, ara anọkwụ n'ụlọ.
Papa, ma home. Anọ m n'ụlọ.
Bịa ebe a.
Yeah.
Ijeoma.
Hey, Papa, you're welcome.
Keep your greetings to yourself. Ijeoma.
Papa.
Were you selected in today's scholarship competition?
Papa, no need now. Why would they select me? Is it not somebody that participates that they will select? I did not participate, so why would they select me? I just went there. I sat down. I was sharing those people that are very, very intelligent. I know that Abu Miti Boribo, Abu Miti Pataka, no problem. I accept my fate.
Ijeoma, you're stupid!
Papa, okay.
Ijeoma,
what is my offense now?
You are busy cheering them. Ijeoma, can you hear me? What have I ever done wrong to you? Ijeoma, let me ask you, can a snake ever beget an animal with legs? Ijeoma, agwana mwanu weroba. Zamia, I wonder from where you came into my family. Yes, you are not my offspring. You are not my biological daughter. Because I rather be a father to Osonwa. Omaricha nwa maluma nwa oburu. Were oburu ya na aru oru. Not an efulefu like you. Ijeoma ime hebu. Ibu mmiri nsi. Adi mo ogugu. Adi mo onunu. I'm not fear.
Papa, Oginidi, I don't understand what is your problem in this house. Every time Ijeoma this, Ijeoma that, Ijeoma that. I don't know book. I agree. Living like that. Did you ever give my mother money to buy milk when I was small? You didn't buy milk. You just leave me alone. You're here talking. You didn't buy milk.
I'm not here.
Greetings.
How is your friend doing?
Allow me to respond to your greeting now. My friend is fine. He's fine.
Okay.
Mana, Nkem. Please, there is something that is eating me up. I really want to tell you.
Okay, go ahead.
Nkem, to be very sincere, I am dying for you. And I am begging you to accept me as your man. I promise you the rest will be history.
You already know, Emeka, I cannot accept you. I am the most brilliant in the whole village.
I know.
The smartest in the kingdom.
I'm aware.
And of such, I cannot settle for a man like you. You know my class. And to even make the whole story short, I already like somebody else.
Somebody else in this village? No! Who is that? Sorry. Who is that? Who is the person? Who is the person?
And if you must know, it's your best friend, Obinna. I like him so much, and I know he likes me too.
My best friend, Obinna. Okay. Sorry to tell you, Obinna will not accept you. He is in love with someone else.
And who is the somebody else?
Your friend.
Which of my friends?
The one you normally go out with.
You mean Ijoma? Osonwa?
Yes, she is the one.
It's not possible.
I am telling you the truth.
I said it's not possible. I mean, I cannot choose Osonwa over me. Osonwa has no class where I mean, like, I am very intelligent. Everybody in the whole community knows. No, he's Osonwa now. It's not possible.
That is it. I know very well that no man in his rightful senses will choose another woman over you.
Exactly.
But my friend did. Yes. That is why I'm telling you now to accept me.
I cannot believe you. I can't believe you because I know you're just saying this thing because you like me and you want me to yourself. So you just want me to accept that Obinna likes someone. Who is someone?
I am telling you the truth.
I don't like you and I cannot like you. You're not my class.
Don't worry.
I know you're just saying it to brainwash me. It's not possible. Ijoma, wait. Ijoma, stop now and I'm calling you.
Nkem, please. I am begging you. I am not in the mood to have a conversation with you right now.
Ijoma, calm down. I went to see Obinna and guess what he told me? That he can't be with me because of that girl Osonwa.
Osonwa again? Osonwa! Do you know why my face is like this? Do you know why I'm in this mood? Can you imagine my father? I had a hot argument with my father concerning the same Osonwa. And get what for this girl, Awafu? What have I done wrong to Usonwa? Imagine my father comparing me to that stupid girl, telling me that Usonwa has not took scholarship, Usonwa has not this one, Usonwa is this and that. So me, I am what? I am nothing.
It's always Usonwa this, Usonwa that. That girl is like a plague in this village. And the annoying part is that she doesn't have to lift a finger, yet she gets all the praises. It's becoming very annoying.
Okay. I know they like show myself because my own they bad. But at this point, I think it's time we show that girl we have to do something to get rid of that girl. Else, she will be a bone on our throat. I don't see the reason or someone should be the only one getting everything on a platter. We were not getting anything. I want to ask the gods of the land. Unaneme Pasha! Are you people doing 419?
Ijoma, calm down. Ijoma, calm down. Relax. I am going to teach Osonwa what it feels like to lose. Just relax. I have a plan.
Usonwa, as you can see, I'm going on. As I already told you. What did you say is the problem?
Sir, my brother said you sent for me and the other candidates. I had to come as soon as possible.
Sent for you? No, I never did. I never sent for you, no, anyone. I have not been expecting anybody today.
Sir, but he...
No, maybe there's been some misunderstanding somewhere. You people will be invited this weekend when my son comes back.
Oh. Because it's fine, sir. I'm sorry for the confusion. I'm so sorry.
No need for the apologies. Everything will be sorted out.
Thank you, sir.
It's all right.
I should be on my way.
It's okay. It's okay.
Okay. I'm so sorry.
It's all right.
Stop here.
Come on. Chekube, what is it this time? What?
So you are shouting? Eh? Yeah? Listen to me. Stay away from Emeka. You know why now? Stay away from Emeka. He is mine. In this village, he belongs to me.
I'm sorry for laughing. You mean Emeka?
Yes.
And who is dragging him with you? I can't stoop so low to mingle with somebody like Emeka. No.
But he like you now. Everybody in this village know he like. See, I will not warn you again. Stay away!
And how is that my business? You know, some people have it. Why some people obviously don't have it.
If you don't like him, you make him hate you. Stay away!
Chekube, I don't have that time. And I am not here to do you any favor. And you know what? Even if I reject Emeka, he won't still come for a low life like you. He was so dumb. Okay?
So, wait, Nini. Nkem. In your mind now, you think you're special. You're not special anything. You're a village girl. All of us are in this village. I'm village, you are a village too. So, you are not special.
And what are you going to do about it?
You just have big mouth. No respect at all.
What are you going to do about it, Chekube? Huh? Beat me with your dirty stinking hands? Or what?
Actually, that is what I am going to do. Now we go. Chekube, what am I going to do? Let's go of me. Chekube, let's go of me.
Don't worry, I'll come for you. Don't worry, I'm going to come for you. I'll come for you.
Run! Because if I catch you, let's see your nash. You think it's you having big nash? Yeah, my auntie, madam, tell her. One quiet to stay away from my man. Emeka is mine. You get power. I beat her. Next time, you come and challenge me. And what you don't. Where is this? Let me go and meet that.
I need to talk to you. In fact, I want us to talk, Emeka. That's why I'm here.
What is going on? Why are you sweating like this? Looking so disturbed. Can you?
Oh, please, Emeka, don't act dumb with me. Don't. I want you to warn that your useless girlfriend to stay away from me and let her mind her business. Please. That is why I'm here.
Okay. Which useless girlfriend, if I may ask?
Chekube.
Is it that smelling one? That useless idiot?
Don't act like you don't know what I am saying, Emeka. Don't act dumb here. The only thing I came to beg you is to keep her away from me. That useless girl attacked me on the road on my way coming to this place.
What? You mean that smelling village champion who fought you? Like physically or?
Spiritually. I mean physically. She slapped me, she pulled my hair like she was all over me. Emeka, please warn your girlfriend. Want Chekube to stay away from me.
Okay. Look, I am very, very sorry. I never knew that useless.
Save it, Emeka. I don't need your apologies. Neither do I need Chekube's apology. What I want you to simply do for me is to keep your lunatic girlfriend away from me.
May the gods forbid.
Keep her away from me, Emeka, and keep your distance. If you see me passing this way, please kindly pass this way and act like you don't know me.
Again. Sorry. Please. I never send that idiot to come out and fight
Emeka,
you.
I don't need your explanations. You are not my class and will never be. I can never stoop solo to a man like you. Just stay away from me.
Ngem, you are the one I love. Asanwa. Hey. Chekube. Yeah. It has gotten to the point of you Saram relationship Nebiodo. Chekube, what I am going to do to you if I set my eyes on you, Chekube!
Emeka.
Chekube, what on earth were you thinking? Why will you go and fight in Kim? Yes, I'm asking you.
So because of Nkem, you are shouting? I fight her because I like you and she talk too much. Yes. So I put her in her place now.
You put her in her place as what now? You put her in her place. Okay. Have I ever asked you to go and fight on my behalf? No, tell me. Chekube, you have caused me pain. And now Game thinks you are a very crazy girlfriend.
So, okay, you don't appreciate my efforts. No one. I will carry my house food and go to my house to eat it alone.
In as much as I am really angry with you right now, I do not go with the food. The separated neighbor.
Yes. So you want to eat the food?
I want to eat the food on one condition. I don't want to hear that you go and fight Nkem again. Don't ever try it.
Wait, you are telling me to fight, not fight Nkem, or
yes,
not fight again? Which one?
Never you fight Nkem. In fact, don't even fight again. Especially Nkem. I don't want you to fight her.
Remove the especially Nkem there. I will not fight again. But not Nkem. If she fuck up, one is.
I will
not fight.
Let me check first. Drop the food here first.
You want to eat my food?
I hope you wash your hand very, very well while preparing the food.
So I was even afraid that maybe some other men will snatch you from me. Well, you know, you used to be very beautiful.
And you too. You used to be a very...
Okadibo! Where is your evil daughter? Someone. Oh no, Okadibo. Oh no, why are you shouting in my house? What did my daughter do? Why won't I shout? Why won't I shout? Your daughter was the only person that visited my house when nobody was there. And now the money my son sent to me, not just anyhow money, not just ordinary money, dollars, no. And now the money has developed wings and flew away.
Onobusa, are you accusing our daughter Osonwa of stealing your money? Because I know my daughter and I trust her very, very well.
Yes.
She has never stolen in her entire life before.
But I'm telling you, I'm very, very sure I left that money there. The money was there when I left. All of a sudden, the money disappeared, developed wing and disappeared. Therefore, your daughter stole the money because she was the only person that came there. Yes. Oh no, please, go back to your house and search again. Maybe the money is misplaced. You see, we know our daughter, Osonwa. She has never done such, and she will never do such. She's not a thief, oh no. Okadibo, I've heard you. I will go to my house and search everywhere. But mark my word, the heavens will receive visitors today if I do not see that money. Mark my word.
What if he doesn't see the money? What are we going to do?
Let's just hope and pray he finds it. Osonwa is not a thief. So when we get to that bridge, we can cross it. There's no problem. Let's hope he finds it.
Okay. How are you?
I'm fine.
Hey, how was farm today? I bet can't give me corn, no. Hey, Dikeh.
I'm fine.
Hey, Makasibile too, daughter.
Osonwa, you have a beautiful harvest. Come, let me help you. No, don't bother. It's not heavy.
No, don't worry. Let me just.
Sorry.
Why yo? Chimo. Osonwa, dollar. How did you get all this money? Eh? I better give us highway see now. How did you get all this money?
That's not mine.
How do you mean that's not mine?
It's not mine.
Please stop doing pretend. That not be you that we stole this money. Nah,
You just saw this money from your basket. It's not mine. I don't know where it came from. It's not mine. Ken, I'm serious. I don't know who has it.
You can saw you, but you can saw you, you don't know who has it.
This is the money that was stolen from my house.
Oh no, we're singing. Yeah,
the money that was stolen from my house.
Oh no, it's not mine. I don't know who has this money. Oh, someone is not yours. How? It's not my money. I don't know who has it. But it fell off from your basket now. I'm from the farm. I don't know somewhere from the farm.
It was in here.
How come? I swear, that's not mine. I don't know who has it.
Stop lying.
Oh no, it's not mine. I swear to you, I don't know who has this money.
So you have the effort to steal from me.
Hey! They gave you scholarship. I don't know who that money is, not my own.
I don't know where that money came from. I'm able to tell him. Oh no, it's not mine.
Oh, Mary, angel for ya.
What is it? Who's after you?
Mama, she didn't even have to do so, man. I didn't feel square.
It's my own daughter.
Mama,
why?
They said that she took Onowo's money. They found it in our basket. I don't know how we got in there. Mama,
I put somewhere. Papu somewhere.
Mama, let's go.
No, now. Stop, please stop. Before you kill her, first of all, kill me first. Yes.
Okay.
My daughter is not the thief.
She's a thief.
She doesn't steal.
We won't take this, so madam. We won't take this.
Don't take it.
Let's go.
I'm not leaving.
Let's go. Don't worry.
Dara, look at them.
Come on. You
kill me now.
You cannot do anything. You don't worry. I will do it to you for this village. Hi, Jesus. Hi.
Back.
That's sorry.
Back.
Oh. Look at Namo. Oh.
I can't see this eye. Imagine us steal it.
Oh.
Don't worry, your mother is there. It's alright. Who told you my daughter is a thief? Ata, I am here. Let's get to the house first. Move me. Can you hold her? Let me carry this thing. Can you hold her? Let me carry this thing.
This is just the beginning. $. So you went to steal $, you want scholarship.
My scholarship. Oh yeah, Mohanine.
Come, let's go now.
It's okay, my dear.
Mama,
It's okay.
I did not take the money. I swear to you, I did not take the money. I don't know how it...
It's okay. Stop talking.
Mama, look at what they did to me.
I know. It's alright.
I don't know how the money got into my basket. I did not take it. I swear to you, Mama, I did not take it.
Listen, you don't need to explain to us. We are your parents. We know you. We believe you. You are not a thief, okay? This must be the handwork of the enemy.
I did not take any money. I don't know how the money got into my basket.
It's alright. It's alright. It's alright.
My hand.
Don't worry. I'm going to use hot water to press it. Oh, I will give you pain relief to relieve it. Relieve the pains. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay.
Don't take the money. Mama, I'm innocent. I'm innocent.
Osonwa, we know you're innocent. We believe you. If they don't believe you, we, your parents, your family, we believe you. Oh? It's okay. Wipe your tears, my child. Wipe your tears.
Mama, I have to go and see the Onowu. I need to convince him that I did not take the money so he doesn't give my spot to some...
You're still in pains.
So he doesn't give my spot to someone else. Mama, I cannot miss this scholarship. I need to convince him that I'm innocent.
I don't think it's safe for you to go there. Onowu is still very angry. And it's not safe for you to go there now alone.
Papa, I need this scholarship. I want to convince him. I know he believes I do not take... He will believe me, Mama. I always want to believe me.
But not now. Eh? You're still in pain. You can do that tomorrow, my child. Oh?
Mama, no, I have to go. I have to go. But I need to go to Onowu's place.
You want to go now? Let me get to help her.
Slowly,
No problem.
Don't touch me now. Don't touch me.
Okay, just take it easy.
Be careful, oh? Be careful.
Look at what they have done to me, Mama.
It's okay. Sorry. But if I'm to suggest, I will say you should wait till tomorrow. Eh? Just be careful. Oh, because we are with you.
I would have dealt with those people. I would have dealt with
what they did to my child. They wanted to kill her, but my God must surely judge them. My God will pay all of them back for doing this to you, to an innocent child.
No, please. I have come to beg you. I did not steal your money. Oh no, I swear to you. I have never stolen before in my entire life. I don't know how it feels to steal from somebody. I did not steal your money. I beg you. Oh no, please. Don't take away the scholarship from me. I beg you in the name of God. I did not steal from you.
Don't need that for me. I am not God. But I want to tell you something. There is no place for thieves in this scholarship.
Oh no, I did not steal.
I can't reward dishonesty. There's no way.
No, my sister can't do it in that place.
Oh no, I beg you. Oh no, we'll see. My life depends on this scholarship. My family depends on this. Oh no, I don't have nowhere to go to. I need this scholarship with everything in me. I beg you.
It is done already.
Oh no, I did not steal
the form has been given to someone who is more deserving.
Please, for me. Oh no, please. Oh no, see. Oh no, I will not. Oh no, please.
Leave me.
Please, oh no, please.
Oh no, I beg.
I cannot, my sister. Oh no, please.
Oh no, please.
Hi, Jesus.
Oh no, I did not steal from you. I beg you. Just listen to me.
It's okay, my friend. Just stand up. It's okay. It's okay. Stop crying. Don't worry. Another scholarship might come out. Who knows? I will even help talk to them. It's okay. Stop crying. Another scholarship might come out. Who knows? I will even help talk to them. Ozubo. It's okay.
Yes, thank you very much.
No problem. Just take her home. She's tired. Yes. Greet Mama for me. Or someone will come to the house. I'm coming, Oh no, this. Oh no, that. You want to have the scholarship. This is just the beginning. Now I will show you all the reason I'm the smartest in the village. Nonsense.
How could you judge? How could you report our son to the authorities of the state? Now Ben has fled to another country. What were you thinking?
I was thinking about the future of this family. Ben needs to wake up from his slumber and face the realities at hand. Oh yes, he should stop behaving like a child. Let him face his duties. We have a lot to do, because if he gets married to Cassandra, I'm sure this family will be in for a good time. And you know about that.
Don't you think you are pushing so hard? No. Don't you think you are pushing too far? You have the mind to report your own son to the authorities, accusing him, blackmailing your own child of theft.
Stop shouting
No,
at me.
I want to see my son.
I said stop shouting at me, woman.
You have to fix this that you created.
Ben shouldn't have left in the first place if not for his stubbornness. Let the authorities, maybe they will teach him some sense there. And he will stop behaving childishly.
George, you are destroying this family. You are not fixing anything. All I want now is my son. I want to see Ben. Fix this mess. Oh, I will. I will do it my own way.
All I want is for Ben to get married to Cassandra. Because we have a business deal. And by doing so, this family will regain its legacy.
Ban that business! Yes! I don't want to know anything you are doing with that family. I want my son. You need to fix this or else I will. Yes. I'll do it my own way. What has come over you, Judge? Can't you think like a father? Think like a father. It's your son. Oh.
Ikem, I want to talk to you.
Chekube, please. I don't want any troubles. You can have Emeka to yourself, please.
Wait now. Ha! Ikem, wait, stay away. I don't come for trouble. I don't want to trouble you at all. I want you to favor me. Do me a favor. I want you to tell me what you do that Emeka like you, so that I will do it. I want Emeka to like me.
Like you mean I should tell you what to do for Emeka to like you? Okay. First of all, you have to change this your footwear. You know, go. Then you look for a better clothes. Dress well. And don't forget to apply too much makeup. I mean, apply so much on your face. Once you do it, he will like you. You know, go.
Wait now. Makeup okwa. But you don't do makeup now. I get my hair fuzichi.
Chekube, I am intelligent. I am the smartest girl in this village. I don't need any makeup to spice up for any man to like me. But I think you will be needing them because you're very dumb.
Dumb zokwata. Ke onye na-akụlụ n'Igbo. Ye nke wu drum. Gejekwa ebe a drum. See, okay, don't worry. I understand. Makeup. Too much makeup.
Yes, too much. Yeah, plenty makeup. Of it on your face.
Shoe.
Yeah, you change. Yes, koi, you change it.
Dress
exactly.
Thank you.
No problem.
You're a good friend.
No problem.
Thank you very much.
Okay.
Makeup.
Makeup.
How do you say? Thank you. Bye-bye.
This girl is just so stupid and dumb. Let's see how it goes. Nonsense.
It's now obvious that we have lost the scholarship. That would have been my only means to see you through the university. But be it as it may, we have to consider selling that land if you must still attend the university.
Papa Osonwa, that is the only piece of land that we have.
Yes.
If you sell it, how are we going to feed on? We'll be left with nothing.
Papa, Mama is right. You cannot sell our land. That land is the only land we have and what we have been surviving on. If you sell it, how do we do? Papa, please, don't sell the land. I beg you.
My own is that person that puts that money into our basket, I will not rest until I get the person. Because they are only trying to ruin us. It's clear.
Both of you have strong hearts. We can get through this as a family. But if there is no other way, my daughter must go to school. So we have to start considering selling that land.
Papa,
Your
no.
future is more important.
Papa, no. I'm going to wait. Don't put yourself under pressure. You cannot sell that land, Papa. I do not want you to sell that land, please. Look, I know some other chance will come up, but let's just wait. Just trust God, but please don't sell our land. I beg you in the name of God, please.
We'll find a way out of this. I don't support you selling that land. Oh,
okay.
Let's put heads together and look for a way out.
Let's give it some time.
Nkem, now that you've gotten the scholarship, are you going to back off from Obina?
Me? Never. Never, Ijoma. I will not back off. I must get everything I deserve and more. Osonwa deserves nothing better. She can't just get everything without lifting a finger.
Amazim?
I will show her that life is not all rosary.
Now you're talking. Why is it that everything is in someone here, or someone there, or someone another? Are we going to run away from this village because of someone? What kind of nonsense is that? See, you have to do everything. You have to do everything. We cannot keep quiet for that stupid girl.
Exactly. See, I am not stopping until I get everything I deserve. The scholarship, Obina, everything. I'll get it all to myself. Someone deserves nothing.
Better.
Trust me.
See, you have to act fast. You have to act fast. Else, Obina and Osonwa, they'll be doing meko. They are all together.
Do you see the reason why I say you're dumb? If you hear me saying a match, Obina cannot go to someone now that the news is all over the village that she's a thief. Are you not thinking straight?
Nkem, I'm one like has somebody giving you backhand slap before? See, I am just keeping you quiet because you're my friend See, I'm keeping you quiet because you're my friend See, Adam I work with you, I know they like nonsense My mama go call me dumb, my papa go call me dumb, you too, you go call me dumb as what now? As what now? Because we're friends now. No try him again, no. No try him again, no. If you try him again, I go change that for you.
Why are you not dumb?
Are you mad? Look at this stupid thing. Anyway, Sham, what I'm trying to say is because we're in this together and we're fighting the same cause. So what I'm trying to say is, now that you that say you are intelligent, you're not any intelligent, you have to act fast too. Act fast now, so that the news will not fade away. Else, that stupid someone will take everything from us. I will not allow it
Hey, Joma, leave that one to me. Man, I ain't too much. You shout a lot. Me, I'm intelligent. Intelligent people don't shout. You shout too much.
Where did they bring this girl from? Anyway, I don't blame you. Now God will not put book for my head. What do you want make I do now?
You never leave my side.
What is it, Nkem?
I want to talk to you.
Talk to me about what?
See, Obinna, I really like you. I am going crazy because of you, Obinna. I can't even sleep properly at night again. I always dream about you, Obinna.
Can you stop? Can you stop all this nonsense? I've told you I've never been interested in you. I never will. Alright? So please stop.
But, Obinna, see, I am the smartest in this village. The most intelligent. Obinna, I have the scholarship now. Are you not hearing the news, Obinna? Oh, someone is a thief.
Listen, I don't care about any of those. Alright? I don't care if you have a scholarship to Harvard University. It's none of my business. I don't want you. I don't like you. I don't want to be in your space. Alright? I just want to someone. So just let me be.
Obinna, after everything, please now. I like you. Now, Obinna.
Listen, I trust to someone. I don't care about what people are saying about her. I trust her so much. Okay? I mean, are you even sure you're not the person who put that money in her bag? Whatever.
What is wrong with this thing? Electrician of the organism.
Emeka.
Chokobo, what are you doing here? What are you doing here? Have I not warned you to stop coming to my house? Just take a look at yourself. Very, very dirty, smelling, and dumb.
Drum. What is drum? Okay, drum in church. That one in church, Abi.
Mba! Useless girl. It means dirty and smelling. You can't even understand things easily. Just take a look at yourself. Let me even ask you one question, Jacobe. When last did you take your bite?
Last week.
Hey!
See, it's because the water, the river is cold now. Eh?
River is cold. Are you hearing me? I'm going for river is cold. Yeah.
And for drum, maybe it's because you talk fast. If you want to talk to me now, you reduce your voice. You can what even you see.
Get it from my house.
Okay, see, Emeka, see, next week, when the river get hot now, I'll bath for you.
Hey! You are very, very dirty, smelling like that. Get out of my house.
Wait now, wait. I should come tomorrow.
Don't come to my house again. Chekube, don't come to my house again.
See, I'll cook for you. Even if get fish from Ekwere River, I'll kill fish there and cook for you.
Lanya, I'll go from the Ekwere River. Ijewefia. Don't you ever go to that river and bring fish and cook for me. That river is sacred. Are you getting my point? Now, you are smelling. Just get out of this place.
You think I don't know? You see, I'm not dumb. I know that river is. I'll just joking with you. See now. See, I'm not smelling.
Come on, Sibapo. Nonsense. Rubbish.
Hey, Sangwa godi. Sangwa. Nwa godi. Sangwa. We've been looking for you. What is it?
I just want to apologize.
Yes.
I'm very sorry I have the scholarship now. Nkem, it's not your fault. I'm happy that you have the scholarship. Thank you.
Thank you. So, you get another thing.
What is that?
You know that Obinna? That's Emeka's friend now.
Yes, I know Obinna.
He don't say he like you well. Say he like you, saying they see you for dream.
Wait, Obinna says he likes me.
Very much, oh.
Well, I like him too, but he has never said he wants to have me as his woman, so I'm surprised. I'm hearing this from you.
Anyway, saying they see you for dream, you get another thing, no?
What is that?
Talk him.
He said that he wants you to come to his house.
God forbid. Not even God forbid, though, for your anus, so.
Jesus Christ, God forbid. Obina said that. He's a very stupid boy. Do I look cheap to him? Why would he say that?
Exactly, oh. Ha! Someone, you need to see when they fire him for there. I say someone where I know. Innocent girl. Say someone know they do like that, oh. Say you know they do like that, oh. I tell him.
Why would he say that? He's a very useless boy. God will punish him.
Very useless, oh. May your bomb they leak, they go everywhere. I tell him. I tell him. God, the bear me witness, I talk him.
See, if you're going and you meet him on the road, make sure you slap him immediately he wants to say anything, because that's what he wants to tell you. Push him on the floor and match him very well.
Where?
Is that how he thinks so low of me?
Don't mind him, he's a low boy.
Very low. If I just see him, I'll just ignore him. He's a foolish boy. He wants to sleep with me.
From the anus.
Man, God forbid.
Very God forbid.
So terrible.
Very terrible. Just take him easy with your... God forbid, though. Slap her way.
Someone.
I am not a prostitute, and never you refer to me as that. Nonsense.
Obina, my love. Give me a shot.
What are you doing here?
I bring you food. Rice and stew. With meat. Plenty meat or what was your favorite? I know you like it.
Have I not wanted you to stop bringing me food? Huh? Anyways, I am going to eat the meal, but stop bringing me food. I don't want your food again.
But you eat this one now. Don't worry. Sit down. Let me serve you.
If you are serving me, stop shaking yourself. If you are shaking yourself,
don't worry. You like the food.
Don't touch the rice. Leave. I will take it off from here. Give me. No, Baba. If take this food and leave here. Take this food and leave here now.
Oh, yeah.
I'm just eating this thing to impress you. Stop bringing food here. Stop bringing food here.
You're not rush. Hey, Meka. Get him bossy in last.
I don't even know what your hand properly.
Don't worry. Enjoy. If you finish this one, I'll cook another one for you.
Don't cook. Don't cook.
Meka, why you know? I go.
Very wicked here.
That one is your effort.
You go back, warn you. Don't bring food here again. Don't bring evil to me in this house.
Aya, give me, let me go.
Nkem. My scholarship candidate. How are you doing?
I am very well, Ono.
Good.
I have been reading day and night because I don't want to disappoint you and your son.
That's very good. That's very good. It is even good I met you here. Yeah? You know that your friend, Osonwa.
Yes.
Please help me inform her that that opportunity she missed last time is here again. The king is organizing another scholarship. He has awarded another scholarship. And I would want her to apply.
Another scholarship?
Yes, another scholarship.
For someone?
Yes. Is anything the matter?
No problem.
Just help me tell her to go and see the king.
Okay.
She will not regret it. This one is even better. And is organized in such a way that it is overseas. The person will school. Yes, school. He will school in overseas.
Okay, no problem. No, I will deliver the message to her.
It's okay. Just let her know the scholarship is a big one. She is going to school abroad.
Okay, no.
Do you understand me?
Yes or no? He forgave her so easily. And now he wants another scholarship for her. But over my dead body, will I, Nkem, deliver that message to her? Someone deserves nothing.
I know no say, I know fit grabble. Waiting you want use me do. I know say, Baba God, you will never leave my side. Is you anymore? Is you
Ijoma, come back here. Is that not your WAEC result? Where are you going with it?
I'm going to the Igwe's palace to go and participate in the scholarship that is going on there. Yes, I'm going there.
Ijoma, you gotta move the way. Ijoma, my able. Able to. Okenya, or the call Arawa, Manoni Punk up on Okuda. And man, when you believe it, you did not even pass the state scholarship. You want to now go and compete with intelligent children. Eh? For overseas scholarship. And Rofia, you want to go there and disgrace me as usual.
I don't blame you. I don't. Keep laughing all I care. Be laughing. It's not my business. I know you hate me. I know you hate me, but don't worry. You know what the Bible said? The Bible said, until the day of the John the Baptism, the kingdom of God suffered violence. And violence taken it by force. Papa, I will go to that scholarship and I will take it by force. I will get it. And by the time I get it, I will leave this community. And if I leave this community and go to Obodo Ibo, don't bother calling me on the phone, no, because you will not get my line. My number will always call, will always be saying, the number you're calling is not available at the moment, because I will never pick your call. If I'm coming back to this village or sending anybody abroad, it's my mother, just come marry a bear. I will carry my mother and go there. But you see you, I don't have your time.
Ijoma, hey, don't say things you don't mean, no. At least focus on getting the scholarship first before you think of what you will do later. Eh? Hey! Okay, let me ask you. How many times have you read any of your books since after your WAEC? Answer me. That is the most important thing you should do.
Mama, it's very obvious you like supporting your husband. Oh. Eh? It's very obvious. You don't see she can be choosing. K-chaff can be choosing. I don't blame you. Be supporting your husband because all they make it meko. I don't blame you too. I will not even carry you and go to Obodo.
Mama, I'm correcting you. Okay, Papa no more.
I know this is another turn for you to prove to me that I don't have a child. Go there and disgrace yourself.
My husband.
And no fear.
Nani, wait. Nani, let me talk.
Hold it there.
I don't like the way you're always shouting on this girl. You should encourage her. She's our daughter. Our only child for that matter.
Why? Concentrate. No follow which on issue. Encourage a fool. Encourage somebody that is incorrigible.
She is your daughter. Oh, if it's in come more, okay? Just say no, Mama. Like daughter, like father. Oh, okay, oh,
also, why am I? But so you say, yeah, I don't know. Rubbish.
I hit you, come more.
Hey, wait, now where are you running to? Hey, you're so in a hurry. Aji, why are you rushing like that? Who is chasing you? Why are you in a hurry?
I'm going to the Igwe's palace for the scholarship competition now.
Really? You think you have a chance after everything that happened?
Why not? At least let me go and try. Besides, they'll know who said I have a chance. He told my father.
Really? Let me go.
Hey!
Someone, you've lost the woman now. Help me with her, Mama.
I never chop. I don't pick up that woman.
Help me.
I don't pick up. I never chop. I beg.
I'm sorry. We did not see you.
Yes, sorry.
Sorry.
Someone,
you have to take her home. I know you're not that wicked. She's not strong. Now you have to take her to the house. I have to go for the competition. I can't take her home.
So you want to leave this woman like this and go for competition?
No, I did not say that now, but I have to go for competition.
I'm not going to even be angry with you. Think you can even get the competition?
Let's keep her in, Mama. You can take her home with someone. Let's be going, Where do you stay? Let's help her now, please. Now, someone can be going. We need to go and secure seats now.
Your house. Are you sure I'm able to meet up?
Yes, you meet. Why not?
Come with me now. Please now.
Don't go with me. I want to go to the palace and secure seats for you. Just Gaba. You can take her home. Hold that, she will follow.
Just take her home. Take her home.
Small.
Don't worry. We'll wait for you there.
Keep space for me.
I'll keep.
They don't know where I'm coming, please.
No problem. Be going.
You know you're a good girl.
Be going.
We'll keep seats for you.
Hey. Because sorry. Why you?
Have very well now.
Holding her now. I'm not sure.
Hey, she will follow.
Go for the exam.
Don't worry. We're going to keep seats for you. By the time I go to my house, we'll go to your house. We'll meet at Woke Kai.
Which Woke Kai? We are going to the palace.
But we'll go to my house and go to your house and
I have to go for this competition. I have
to go. You just go.
Someone go. Now this woman, you want her to fall? This girl, you quite sense.
Juliana, but I will keep seats for you.
I don't know. This girl,
But we are going to the palace, not Woke Kai.
Woke Kai just to wait for her before we go to the palace. That's what I mean.
We are going to the palace.
So,
keep space for me.
We'll keep seats for you. We'll keep seats for you.
They don't know where I'm coming.
No problem.
Someone, the truth is that you don't need a soothsayer to tell you that this scholarship and this university is not your thing. Or your thing. See, let me advise you as a friend. If you just get to the house, chop pure water, look for pure water, you start hawking it. Or better still, you can start with frying akara. Okay, you people don't have money. You don't have money to buy beans to fry akara. I'm just telling her the truth. Now pick a pure water so that I can have something to do. Start hawking around the village. This scholarship of a thing is not your calling. It's very obvious.
This to me, Nkem? What did I do?
You didn't do anything.
Stop now. What's your problem?
I'm only being truthful here. See, Usonwa, I'm telling you the truth. Your dreams are too high. All the too much for your father to handle. Start hawking around. Look for something,
No.
They are broke and poor now. You people are
no
wretched.
problem. So baby, All the go call God, the one my sister. All the go call God. So just go home and rest. Don't mind that. Oh,
don't go home and rest. So don't fold your hands. Showing him a bed. Buy pure water, sell, so that you will not lose in both ways. You lose all university. You lose selling of pure water. You can be making money from there. My good friend, Also, baby.
Look at her face. I'm lost it. I cannot go to university. Each of you went there before. No, you want to get it before. Nah, I don't understand. She's hungry, that girl. I don't blame her. No, she wants us to be.